Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can create your referral link for your Binance app so you can send this referral link to anyone and can earn money. So in order to create your referral link, just go to your Binance app and at the home page you can see an option called referral. If you are not seeing this option, then just click on this more option, then click on edit and here you can see the referral option. If you have not selected this option, just select this one and click on done and this option will be added to your home page. Now as it is already added, just simply click on this referral and when you click on this, just here you can see, just scroll down and click on this invite friend. Now just simply here you can see the two options, refer ID and referral link. Just copy both. You can use anyone or you can also just simply click copy this one. That's why I have copied this one and now just simply send this referral link to your friend when they will create account using these referral link or referral ID. Then you will earn money. At the top you can see unlock up to 1000 USDC in tokens. So that's how you can create your referral link for Binance app.